Hi my darlings, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another hair review from Xrsbeautyhair.com. I am working with this brand for the third time, and they never miss. They never ever miss, as you can see with this hair. I'm just waiting for my curls to just cool down, and then I'll start opening them. But I want to tell you guys about the new clear lace that they have. This is the new clear lace, and this is how it looks like on your, let me just put it here rather, because you won't see it on my tattoo. This is how it looks. You can't even see it. That's just how undetectable it is. Do you guys see that? The only thing you can see is just the paper, because I want to show you guys the difference between how it looks like on my skin. It's giving lace. The new clear lace is a lace that's undetectable on your head, and the lace is more natural, and it looks like your hairline than the normal thick, what you call that, lace on our heads. As you can see, it is transparent. You can't see anything. It's giving scalp. So that is their new clear lace technology, and I'm almost certain that you guys will be more than happy to try it. This is their, I think this is the 22, I'm not sure, 22-inch body wave. Absolutely beautiful. Let me tell you, it feels like a double drawn wig, and I am obsessed. Like I said, I'm still waiting for my curls to cool down, then I'll start opening them. But if you guys would like to purchase this hair, please do check the link in my description box. I will leave everything for you guys, also the discount codes, that you guys can get coins off your purchase. But with that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without wasting any time, let's get straight into this video. Bye guys.
Boy, now you make me float.